Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2008 Mercedes Benz C Class. So from any screen, if we go into telephone there, you'll see there at the bottom telephone name, SMS and call list. So if we just knock the selector over to telephone and click the center, you've got telephone list. We'll click telephone list, convenience phone, Barry's iPhone and John's phone. Now I always go to turn this, but you have to pull it back towards you. So that's on the first one, Barry's iPhone, and again, options list comes up on the side of where my phone's listed. So we knock the controller over to options, then select options by clicking the selector, and you've got deauthorize, details, reception volume, transmission volume. So we want deauthorize, that's the top one, but if not, again, you'd have to just knock it back like so, and forward till you get to deauthorize, select deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Barry's iPhone? Again, you'd expect the natural thing will be to just turn that, but you've got to knock it over. So onto yes, select yes, and that's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2008 Mercedes Benz C Class. The first thing we do is make sure that Bluetooth is on, like so, and then we're watching out at the bottom here, over to telephone, click telephone, you've got ready for Bluetooth telephony, telephone name, those two, you can highlight either of those two. So we'll knock it over to telephone, click on telephone, you've got telephone list, click telephone list, and it's come onto convenience phone, but you see update at the top. So you knock that forward to update, and you've got options here. Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth has already come on. So click update, searching for a maximum of 15 Bluetooth telephones. And as I say, you've got it here, but we'll just wait for it to show up on the actual audio unit in the car. So there we go. It's got update, convenience phone, Barry's phone. So down to Barry's iPhone, click Barry's iPhone. Please enter the passcode here. So we need to make a passcode up. So for convenience again, 0000, and then rather than just turning it again, let's see, no, you can't knock it that way either. So we've got to knock it across here till we get to OK. Once OK is highlighted, click OK. That brings up the keypad here, 0000, pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow authorization procedure successful. So that's showing my phone, and it's showing Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth phone connected here. That's it, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.